Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. So today I have this unboxing from The Lobby is what it's called. I've been looking for this item. I actually checked, so it's a Brandon Blackwood piece. Let's just start with that. I was checking the website and all the ones I wanted were sold out. And then, I don't know, I saw like an ad on Instagram and I was like, stop playing. The Lobby, let me see if, you know, if they have the piece that I want. And they had a color that I wanted. So, your girl picked it up. Okay, so this is the box right here. Matter of fact, let me just keep it up and open it for you. I don't know if you've seen any Brandon Blackwood unboxings. I unboxed something recently from Brandon Blackwood and this is how the inside of the box is. You know, you get the Brandon Blackwood card. I don't think I've ever seen this, but I think in here it's just a receipt. Actually, it's a thank you. It says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. Brandon Blackwood. Very cute card. So, this is the piece right here. Let's open this up. The dust bag is, it's a dust bag. It almost feels like a microfiber kind of material. And this, you get the Brandon Blackwood tissue paper all over the bag, and you know it has like the Brandon Blackwood sticker, but we're just gonna rip that right off. It's so sad because I hate when I do that because it's like the cutest packaging and I'm just ripping it off and gonna throw it away. But guys, oh no, stop playing. This color is even prettier in person. Guys, no. This color, oh my God. This color is even prettier in person. Like, it was nice online, but oh my gosh, stop. And then you have the silver hardware. I would have preferred gold, but I'm okay with the silver. You know, you have the feet on the bottom. Silver, it's just little covers here. Silver hardware as well. I'm probably gonna just throw that right back on there. Let me open this up. Let me look at my receipt. I forget the name of this bag. So this is just, you know, the little paper from The Lobby. And this is called oh, that's what it's called. It's the Brandon Blackwood Kendrick trunk. And this is in the color Evergreen. Let me see how much I paid for this. So this was $165. This color, guys, this color is, it's everything. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This color is everything. I'm gonna open this up just to show you the interior. Doesn't open as much as I would like for it to. So this is my first Kendrick trunk bag. I'm gonna take this out. So it does come with a little strap right here. I could get like my items in there if need be, and honestly I'm for aesthetics and this looks stunning. You know, it has to make sense. The bag has to make some kind of sense, but I can literally just do that if I really need to get something out of here. But I do wish it could open up a little more, but still, this bag is stunning. I'm not sure if you can see in the back right here, it does say Brandon Blackwood. It has like this leather piece right there, and most of the stuff from Brandon Blackwood is vegan leather, so I'm sure that in the back is vegan leather. And the interior, as you've seen a few times while I've opened it, this is just a silica packet. And that's actually what I dumped out when I did like that. It was just a silica packet, but the interior is black. This bag, I'm gonna pull this off because I want to see this bag in its entirety. Like, I want to see. There it is. There's like a little sticky here. I'm not going to take it off, but this is how the bag looks. Took that little piece off. This is how sizing is. This is my hand. It's the cutest, and I threw the strap on really quick just to show you guys how the strap looks on there. I would probably just hold it like this, and of course, like I showed you, the strap, so you could just wear it crossbody if you want to. It is an adjustable strap, so if you want to make it short or long, this gives you, like, you're able to with this strap. But yeah, I'm excited. I found it from the lobby. That's the name of it, and I got it for the regular price. It wasn't marked up or anything, and I'm very, very excited. Shipping was actually very quick as well. I think I got this within 5 days, not even 3 to 5 days. It was very, very, very quick, and I am excited that I finally got my hands on a trunk bag in a color that I liked. I almost settled, but I was like, let me keep looking, and I found it. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.